Here we come to the elevator at the Harshbarger Mines building at the University of Arizona in Tucson, Arizona. This is a unknown brand, but it has PTL, Vandal resistant fixtures. Mechanical bell. That was weird. Analog indicator. Let's go down to
BM.
Oh yeah, we're already on. That's the bottom.
BH.
There we go. It just takes right off. Relay logic. And oh, BM.
BM. It's gonna open on. M is for the mines building. It's gonna open on the other side.
And we got a little ways to go still. Let's door close it. And here we go. Down to the ground. BH.
This door says H for Harshbarger.
Harshbarger, and then mine over there. Let's go up to
3H.
Let's go up to 3 and we'll listen to the motor. This is a vintage elevator.
Traction.
Oh, this is traction. So this is not hydro.
I think it is, yeah.
Oh, we're stopping. Someone's coming up.
No, just the button was pressed.
I might have pushed it by
Oh,
accident.
it's a Dover. Oh, it's a Dover.
Oh yeah, it's Dover. Yeah, this is a Dover, right?
I've never seen a Dover with PTL buttons.
This is rare. I've never seen that either. A little bit of classic leveling. Let's go down to
back to 1H.
Let's go down to the 1H. Door close button. Door close when you push the button. Capacity 2,300 pounds. Emergency light. PTL fixtures. ADA compliant phone. Here we are on 1H. Here we go. And the doors are going to close. And here it goes. And that's it.